Roque, does Malacañang take offense of how TV series Pine Gap shows China's 9-dash line? Do you support the decision of MTRCB to pull out episodes of this political drama?
Suportado po yan dahil ang MTRCB naman po ay under the Office of the President din mismo. No? At ang Department of Foreign Affairs naman po ang humingi sa MTRCB na wag ipalabas ito sa ating bayan dahil ito nga po ay based on a very inaccurate meat and scope of the Chinese territory.
Opo. Tanong naman ni Vance Fernandez, with the Philippine College of Physicians backing the lowering of NCR's alert level to alert level 2, aligning with the incoming holidays, how fast can the IATF react in the case might surge again during the holidays due to the increased movements of people in the season? Gaano daw po kabilis ang magiging reaksyon ng IATF dito?
Naku, alam na po natin na kung kinakailangan super bilis talaga gumalaw ang IATF. Normally every 2 weeks, no? Pero nagkaroon po ng mga pagkakataon na even without consulting the entire IATF dahil meron talagang scientific basis for it, overnight nagpapa-impose po tayo ng mas stringent na community quarantine classification. So napatunayan na po natin na kung meron talagang pangangailangan na para maghigpit, yan po ay mabilis na nadesisyonan ng Department of Health, ng NTF at saka ng IATF.